A very warm welcome to all students of class 10th of St. Joseph's Senior Secondary School. Now, this is your English class, and today I am going to deal with section D portion, that is writing and grammar. Now, you all have been taught from a very long time how to write letters, but still I find lot of mistakes while correcting your copies or assignments, that you make lot of mistakes. Now today I am going to start with letter writing. Letter writing is one of the most important parts of the writing portion, whether in class 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, anywhere. And take it seriously, because in your after school life, letter writing will be very helpful to all of you. It will be in use every time in your life. Okay. Now, letter writing comprises basically of two kinds: formal letters, informal letters. Formal letters include applications, covering letters for job, letters of inquiry, complaint, placing orders, reminders, cancellations, or any kind of formal letter writing for any cause is considered to be a formal letter. Next is informal letters. In informal letters, you have letters to relatives and friends for any reason or cause. This is an introduction to letter writing. Now, when we are starting for formal letter writing, three things are very important: format of writing the formal letter, content writing the formal letter, and expression. These three things, or these three aspects of writing any short or long composition is very important: format, content, and expression. Format includes salutation. Content includes the part, the title which you are writing, the words, the vocabulary which you are using for conveying your message, and then expression. Expression includes grammatical correctness, coherence between the sentences, and of course spellings. All these things are considered under expression, and these 3 points are taken into consideration while evaluating your copies. When your copies are evaluated, these 3 things are considered, and according to these 3 aspects, you are awarded marks on your answer. Now, while we are moving with formal letter writing, what are the important things? At the left hand top corner, you write sender's address. Then you write date. Then you write the recipient address. And then you start your salutation, that is respected sir or madam, whomsoever it is concerned, and you start your formal letter. Now, all these things are considered as format. At the end of the letter, I will also tell you what format is to be written. Then starts your content part. Now, in a formal letter, content it should be written in 3 paragraphs. The opening paragraph, middle paragraph, and the concluding paragraph or conclusion. This is the content part. Usually a letter should be of 100 words, 100 to 120 words, including everything. Then comes your sign out after concluding paragraph. Where you write words like thanking you, yours sincerely, yours truly, and then your name and signature. This is basic way of writing a formal letter. Okay? Now, I would like to give you a homework where you can write a homework and do it. Right? You are Ram Meher of 32 Bidanpura, Karol Bagh, Delhi. Full stop. Last week you bought a mobile phone from a shop called the Mobile Junction. Inverted commas, single inverted commas. Full stop. The mobile phone developed a problem within a few days of its purchase. Full stop. Write a complaint letter to the dealer giving details of the nature of the problem and asking her to rectify the defect or replace the phone. Okay? Now, you write this letter of complaint and submit your homework on your following class group. Thank you. That's it for your class today.